Hello guys, customer bring this iPad and the broken screen. This model is iPad Air 5. You can use the same LCD. iPad Air 4 and Air 5 is the same one. It's very simple. The LCD is open like a book style, so it's you have to heat up on that side first, and then it's open like that way. There is a one connector is here, two connector here, and then we will change the LCD. It's very simple. Let's do it. Here you go. Now you have to remove these one screw and two screw. One connector is here and two connector is here. That's it. And then after that the LCD easily come out, and then you can change the screen. So this one is here is under the hinge, so you have to be careful. That's it. Now make sure then you have to clean this area, and there is no any broken glass left, because if there is a broken glass and when you close the new LCD, it can be damage your new LCD. So just to double check it. You have to hard reset. Press volume up, volume down, and the power button. Volume up, volume down, and the power button. Hold it for a few seconds, maybe at 15-20 seconds, and then it will be restart iPad itself. Here you go. Now we will put the connector back. Once we put the connector back, and then after that we will close completely. So as I told you, here is a hinge, so you have to put it there. That's it. Now we need to remove that double-sided tape. we are closing now. That's it. Now your iPad screen is fixed easily. It's not really difficult. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.